Pavlo Mashchak, senior software engineer, Ruby on Rails. Really clean header. And if it is the right keyword, this is the way your header should look like. Really clean, to the point, and if possible, sometimes you have to have a couple more keywords that, how do you say? Yeah, there's more keywords describing the job you have. That's what I'm trying to say. So that data analyst and business intelligence specialists are often the same thing, although two very commonly used different keywords. Senior software engineer, all right. Experienced backend developer and team lead. Not repeating the same keyword. So maybe the keyword is in here somewhere. 15 plus years with Ruby on Rails, so that's all good. Microservices, API development, proficient in that. So this is good, like mentioning all the specific keywords, but what I really miss is the alignment. You're a senior software engineer here. So I'm a senior software engineer with 15 plus years of work experience with Ruby on Rails, microservices, and API development. And if you think this will help you increase the chances of you being found for interesting jobs, then put this in the header as well. So you're a senior software engineer, but you're also a backend developer, and team lead you don't have to mention because that will become obvious from your work experience. So add backend developer in your header and add senior software engineer in the about section. You're posting, so that's good. Let me give you some likes. All right, you go straight into the achievements. Nothing wrong with that, but what I would do is before you go into the achievements, I would add 1 or 2 sentences of context where you kind of explain in what kind of team, department, or just giving a little bit of context where you actually work at. And more importantly, this few sentences of context also gives you another opportunity to repeat the keyword. So what I would say is, as a senior software engineer working for the XYZ team at the XYZ department, here are some of the achievements that I have achieved. Integrated data log. And then you mentioned the bullet points you already mentioned in here. And then here you say you're a senior software engineer again. So maybe here you can just put in the keyword senior software engineer and then again Ruby on Rails, because you basically do the same thing. Now this is not good. Add in a context sentence, repeat the same keyword, and a couple of the achievements you have achieved. So cool, you built a web application using Ruby on Rails. What kind of web application? What has that resulted into? How many downloads? How many installs? Etc., etc., etc. Senior software engineer, good. Maybe again repeating Ruby on Rails because that is obviously your thing. Referrals, yeah, might be time to get an up-to-date one because the last one has been 11 years ago. Other than that, I think there's a lot of room for improvement in the keywords section. And I think if you do that, Pablo, you'll see a massive increase in recruiters and hiring managers reaching out to you and finding your profile. And also, please get rid of the open to work banner. Not cool.